Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at Chainlink, so this one's going to be for you Chainlink fans out there. If you like anything I bring to you, a like, a subscribe or any feedback really helps my channel out. The support I've had over the past few weeks / months have been absolutely unbelievable. Thank you very much for that. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we start off by looking at the current market cap, it is $267 billion, which is pretty good in my opinion. Chainlink is holding solidly in number 12 position, and it is at a beautiful price of $4.35. So if we take a look at its chart, it has had a nice big approach here, which was a lovely thing to see in the last 24 hours. Over the 7-day, the past week, that's Chainlink's chart, very attractive. Over the past 30 days, a bit more zigzaggy, but again, still very attractive. Over the past 30 days, it's up 14%, all-time high $4.94. So what are we going to talk about with Chainlink today? We're going to be talking about quite a few things. The first thing I want to show you guys is they've recently just got a partnership with Vibe Hub VR. I'm not sure who they are, but what I've gathered from here is that it simply says they're a gaming and entertainment on the blockchain. So again, that's another big thing if that does come into play. So again, that's big moves from Chainlink. With their price at the minute, again, it's still very attractive in my opinion. If you take a look how much it's gone up over the past 30 days, it really does make you think that Chainlink could be a hidden gem. I know most certainly that since I bought it at a lower price, I definitely thought this is a hidden gem to keep an eye on. So I'm very bullish on Chainlink. It's definitely one to keep an eye on in my opinion throughout the whole next year or two, up until 2024 in my opinion, even after that. But it's one to watch. It's such a good cryptocurrency. I want to show you guys this article. It says first mover Chainlink Marines are holding, and here's why you should care. Now, here it says, taking a deeper dive into the realm of over 5,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, things get even more speculative, with traders often jumping on fast-moving and thinning trades tokens for quick profit and then quickly moving on to the next hot trade. If I show you here, it says, if I skim read this and briefly show you this, I'll leave it in the description below if you guys want to take a look for yourself. But it says here that data extract from the underlying blockchain and cryptocurrency markets reveal declining balances of the token held on at exchanges. In the logic of digital asset traders, that seems as a sign that holders of the token have no near-term intention of selling their linked tokens. After withdrawing the tokens from exchanges, holders are likely either to hoard them or send them to be used in Chainlink smart contracts for off-chain data. Now, what it says down here is Chainlink is the most successful blockchain network over the last 2 years, and we still feel like it's the underdog, said Michael Anderson, co-founder of Framework Ventures, which published a Chainlink investment in late 2017. Now, there's so many bullish reasons pointing towards Chainlink. It also says here, so is it bullish that Marines are holding? It's tough to say according to Lula, whatever that says. But overall, the latest news on Chainlink, and this is from reliable news sources. You have top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch. Chainlink are obviously involved in that, which is again big for this week. Chainlink brings variable randomness to Ethereum, which is again big. Crypto price oracles are about to become unstoppable. Now that's the most important thing about Chainlink, is the oracle system of that. It is just the next step in cryptocurrency. It's the next step in future to making everything that extra bit easier for businesses, etc. It is so smart what they want to do, and it answers such a lot of questions that people are after, or businesses are after. Centralized crypto futures exchange integrates Chainlink's price oracles. There's just so many big articles about Chainlink, and the oracles are the most important thing about it. It was also Chainlink's 1-year anniversary yesterday, I think it was, or the day before. They basically did a 1-minute video on their channel saying in May 2018 the Chainlink is live on the Ethereum mainnet, and then it's just a case of all of them, all of the people that work there saying thank you, and then you have a picture at the end with all of their partnerships, I presume, because you have CoinGecko, Tezos, Bido, Ethereum. All of these ones are on here. There's big cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of them are here big. It's just positive things for Chainlink. They're moving in a very positive direction. This is also what I want to show you guys. This is this is what the CEO of Chainlink. He's called Sergey Nazarov. He's the CEO of Chainlink, and basically he does a video basically explaining things about it, what they want to do in the future and stuff like that. I highly recommend, if you guys want to check it out. There's a timestamp here where what they talk about in what minute and that. The Oracle problem for smart contracts, decentralized oracles for smart contracts and decentralized finance, off-chain and on-chain data for smart contracts, points of failure of centralized blockchain oracles, connecting any blockchains to all input and outputs. There's just I've watched a bit of this, and I was going to show a clip of you, but I don't know if it will get taken down, so I'm just going to leave it where I wanted it to be. But here I generally recommend watching this. I'll leave this in the description because it is a very interesting video in my opinion. It does explain a lot of things, and any problems it does explain a lot of things as well. Now this is the last thing I want to show you guys. If any of you have been watching my videos recently, you would have seen that I do use this quite a lot. Why do I use it? I use it because it's the Bitcoin stock to flow. And what is the Bitcoin stock to flow? Many of you will know, many of you won't know, but what the Bitcoin stock to flow is a predicted measurement model created by $100 trillion USD, which it says here. Now the stock to flow model was, I believe, it was brought around as a measurement model in 1970, and basically what $100 trillion USD did is he applied it to Bitcoin to see if it fit, and this is the measurement model that has come up with so far, to the point where it could go to 100k pretty likely. Apparently it has an 80% accuracy rate. Why am I showing this on a Chainlink video? A lot of you will know, a lot of you won't know, but if this is the case, if Bitcoin does this, if Bitcoin goes up and up and up, 85, 95, 100,000, or even if it goes to 20,000 by the end of the year, then history will strongly repeat itself, in my opinion, because that's when all the big money will be coming into it. Then if history repeats itself for the third time, that's all it has to do, is just repeat itself for the third time. If it does that, then Chainlink, Tezos, Cardano, all of these cryptocurrencies that are relevant, legit, etc., they are going to fly. I am pretty certain on that, because if I wasn't certain on that, all of my money would be tied into Bitcoin. But I have it spread across about 5 to 8 different cryptocurrencies, because I believe that once Bitcoin can be that leverage to push it, then I believe that the rest of the cryptocurrencies that will benefit Microsoft, that will benefit Apple, etc., they will come into light, because they will have the money behind them by the big companies. And that's why I wanted to show you the stock to flow, because the accuracy on it so far is very interesting, and it's something you should 100% keep an eye on, because if the accuracy of this does happen the way we want it to happen, aka it goes to 100k, then the rest of the market will reflect that. But if you guys liked anything that I've brought to you, a like, a subscribe, or any feedback does really help my channel out. With that, I've been Crypto News.